Told you we were going to get to see the game.
You said courtside seats.
Dude, so much better.
I sure hope so.
Oh, you'll see.
We have an unauthorized drone hovering just north of the west lot.
I need a unit to respond to the last known location to notify the owner that the device will be confiscated.
Adam 41, I'll have eyes on the individuals.
Told you we'd get close.
Dude, the roof is closed.
No, it's okay. We're right there.
We can't see anything.
Hey gentlemen, I'm gonna need to see that drone remote. So no drone zone, buddy.
Flying your drone around the stadium or any other restricted airspace is not only illegal, but could land you steep fines and jail time.